Here are the topics for our robot news in May 2022. A jumping robot can jump higher than its natural models. A humanoid robot is painting at the Art Biennale in Venice, and the Hannover Messe, the biggest industrial fair in the world, is just around the corner. Have fun! Hello, my name is Werner Hampel, and if you like our monthly news, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to activate the bell to get notified when we upload new videos about robotics. And now, let's get started. A research team from California has developed a jumping robot that is better than its nature models. The robot is only 30 centimeters tall and weighs 30 grams, but it can jump a full 32.9 meters high. This means that not only can jump higher than any other jumping robot, no, it's also better than all known animal and biological jumpers. Nature served as inspiration, but the robot doesn't have its limitations. The robot, developed by a research team led by Elliot Hawks of the University of California, looks like a rocket, but it works differently. By definition, a jump is said to occur when the jumper exerts force to the ground and does not change its own mass, which would happen, for example, when it expels fuel. The jumping robot, on the other hand, pushes itself off with the help of a spring. The springs are built in such a way that they can take on a narrow, aerodynamically good shape after unloading. Discharging the springs take only 9 milliseconds. The researchers have calculated that the robot is close to the theoretically optimal jump height, at least based on current technology and available materials. This means then that even better performance is almost impossible at present. The robot can overtake obstacles that would otherwise require flying robots. The robot was developed especially for situations where drones cannot be used. This is the case in space, for example, and one possible application would be landing on an asteroid. On the moon, the robot could jump up to 125 meters height and up to 500 meters far. But apart of that, it is of course sensational. A robot developed by humans, inspired by nature, but performing better than the biological models. We are seeing more and more robots inspired by animals or nature in general, and we think we are going to see more amazing possibilities there. What do you think about this? Tell me your opinion below in the comments. From April to November, the 59th Art Biennale is taking place in Venice. Aida is a slightly different artist. She's a robot lady. She's the first humanoid robot artist and was presented at Oxford University in 2019. What makes her special is that each painting is unique, something that inventor Adrian Meller also points out. If you had her paint your portrait twice, it would be two completely different pictures. Her first images were drawn in pencil, using algorithm to sketch what her camera eyes could see. Thanks to machine learning, she is improving her painting skills and is now able to paint colorful pictures. During the biennial, Aida will also paint live, but not everyone can have a portrait painted of them. During the exhibition, she is supposed to draw only 4 portraits. In 2021, she drew her first self-portrait and her paintings will be exhibited in Venice. She needs over 5 hours for one painting and you have to stand still. Aida can also speak and answer questions about art. For example, she was asked if she thinks she creates art. To this, she replies that it depends on what you understand by art. She said, that she's an artist if art means communicating something about who we are and whether we like it. Being an artist means illustrating the world around you. The inventor says he doesn't want to show that robots can be artists too. He's much more interested in starting a discussion about whether people want robots to create art. As technology continues to improve, especially on the field of IA, more and more ethical questions naturally arise. Yes, a robot can paint pictures on its own, but should it? What are your thoughts about this? Write me your opinion below in the comments. From May 30 to June 2nd, the Hannover Messe will take place. This time again as an in-person fair. This year, the main theme is industrial transformation, digitalization and sustainability. The partner country is Portugal. Climate protection needs digitalization and automation. On the one hand, because the industry needs to become more climate friendly, but also because technological progress enables new, greener solutions. Hannover Messe wants to show ways to achieve climate-neutral industry. Manufacturing industries will show how they can reduce emissions and work in a more resource-efficient way. And companies from the energy industry will show how energy can be produced and used in an environment-friendly way. But the fair also wants to show that sustainable growth is a prerequisite for climate protection. Without economic growth, climate targets cannot be achieved, and climate-friendly industry also creates new jobs and business opportunities. Trends in this area include Industry and Logistics 4.0. This is where the robots come into the game. Circular economy and AI and machine learning. Around 2,250 exhibitors have been announced with nearly 6,800 products. Of course, you will see a lot of robots there. In addition to the presence fair, there will be also a digital supplementary program. That was our May 2022 news. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to activate the bell. And I see you in the next video. Werner.